you doing? What are you doing?
With Boomer.
What are you doing with Boomer?
Hey, put boots on Boomer.
Tell him to put the boots on then.
Boomer. Go in there and in here. I'm putting you in here. Hey, can you go in there? Hey, Boomer's pushing me. Boomer's hurting me.
I guess Boomer don't like to put the boots on.
Hey, Boomer. Hey, Boomer, stop. Boomer, stop. Hey, Boomer's hurting me. He's going to what?
Why Boomer lick you? Hey, go say hi to Daddy. Hey, come on, move. Come on, let's go.
I'm in here.
Okay, bye-bye.
I better go downstairs with Boomer and play Boomer.
Okay, go find Boomer.
It's warm out.
Be careful.
My room is dark.
I just turned the lights on.
My room is dark too.
Your Boomer is dark. What that mean?
I'm helping Boomer to find my ball. Mommy.
Hi, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. You want to go outside, don't you, Boo?
My ABCD! Hey, look at my stuff!
Good.
Hey, look!
Yeah, I see that.
I want to play with
Okay, well, bring it up.
Oh, tell me that, Mommy.
Okay, you gonna go poo-poo or you want to play?
I want to play after we all done playing.
You want to play after all you're done playing?
Yeah.
Or you want to play after you're done pooping? Uh-oh, Boomer's barking. I gotta take...
Birds barking at the outside and birds barking at the TV.
Oh, okay. Can you say bye-bye so Mommy can go and take your Boomer first? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Let's get off the TV.
Okay, bye.